Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first school musical show made by Liceo de Música. Let's receive our show, The Sound of Movies. Now, let's receive with a big round of applause to our hosts of the night, Fernanda Lopez and Araceli Castillo.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Sound of Movies, the school musical show.
Thank you all very much for coming to this amazing opportunity.
We would like to invite you to sit comfortably, pay attention, and enjoy this show.
Firstly, I would like to thank to our special guests for coming tonight.
And we want to greet our principal, Daniela Guzman, for supporting this amazing show.
Now, we are going to meet our orchestra, which is mainly composed by the students of our school and his conductor, the teacher, Mr. Patricio Varela. I would like to start now by looking at the first movie of the night, The Wizard of Oz.
But first, I want to say that this event is made up mainly for students from our school, and they will show us their talents such as dancing, playing, and singing. We are very, very proud to represent our school tonight, and we want to give a big round of applause to each student who has been involved in this show.
Now presenting the next song is from The Wizard of Oz. The Wizard of Oz is an American musical film and is about Dorothy, who lives on a farm in Kansas, United States. A hurricane arrives and picks her and leaves her in the land of Oz, where beings are strange and beautiful. We're going to listen to two songs from this movie. The first one is a Midnight and Munchkin, performed by the children of our school.
And the second one is a song called Somewhere Over the Rainbow, performed by Catherine Guzman. Let's receive, with the colors of the rainbow, this wonderful music from
The Wizard of Oz. was so adorable. And what about you?
I like more Somewhere Over the Rainbow because it has been my favorite song for so long.
I agree. Now I want to greet our mayor, Magda Cicardini, for coming tonight here.
So, moving on this show, we want to introduce you the first presenters of the night. They are Andrés Alcayaga
And Maria Pia Valenzuela.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you. First of all, I want to say that we are very happy to be here with you tonight. Now, moving on to the next section, we are going to relive a classic American musical fantasy produced by Walt Disney.
The movie is from 1992 and tells us the story of a boy named Aladdin and his monkey Abu on their adventure to save the free-spirited Princess Jasmine.
Without any more presentation, sing by Antonella Sepulveda and Matias Marchesi, we leave with you from the movie Aladdin the song A Whole New World.
Take
for coming to our show.
My name is Estefania Montalban.
I'm Adelina Figueroa, and we are going to present a Star Wars Mine from the movie Casablanca.
Casablanca is a 1942 American film directed by Martin Curtis. It tells about a romantic drama in the Moroccan city of Casablanca under the control of Vichy government.
The film is based on the play Everybody Comes to Reeds. It is one of the best rated film of the American cinema. It won some Oscars, including a Best Picture.
Now we are going to listen to the special and intimate performance sung by Catalina Lavea, Carlos Cabrera on saxophone, Catalina Gascon on the contrabass, and Francisco Rojo on the piano. Let's receive with a big applause the song As Time Goes By from the movie Casablanca.
You